How to sell calls on Webull. This video is not financial advice, nor is it a recommendation. Please do your own due diligence before investing into anything. This guide assumes you've already done all of the hoop jumping and the other requirements to open up options trading in your Webull account. When I opened up options trading on my Webull account, I had to fill out a risk assessment questionnaire. Those are basically just designed to make sure that, number one, you understand what options are and how they work at a very basic level, and your risk tolerance allows you certain contract types based on how you answer the questions in the questionnaire. Now, I'm not going to tell you what exactly to answer to open up specific contract types because I don't want to make you say you have more risk tolerance than you actually do, but for most people, when you want to be able to sell calls, it's going to force you to have the blocks of 100 shares on your account to be able to cover that contract so you don't get caught off guard selling naked calls. Now, assuming you've already covered all of that and you have your blocks of 100 shares on hand to be able to sell contracts against, here is how you actually sell the contract. In this video, we're going to use SPY as our example stock. Now, we are looking on PC. The UI will be a little bit different on mobile, but if you click here on the options tab, you'll be able to open up the options chain. The first screen you should see should be all the different expirations that are available for each of these stocks. In this case, SPY is pretty popular, so you're going to see a lot of expiration dates. If it is a less popular, less traded stock, then you're going to see fewer expirations and fewer strikes. For this example, we're going to click into the 7-day expiration contracts, and each of these lines, when you click in here, whether it be purple or black background, each of these lines is an individual strike price. Again, SPY is pretty popular. There will be a lot of strike prices available for SPY. This line right here shows the current stock price whenever you're looking at this options chain. Anything above it on my screen that has a purple background, those strikes are all in the money. Anything below it in a black background, those are all out of the money. If that particular arrangement is a little confusing to you, you can actually change your settings to have the in the money at the bottom and out of the money at the top. You can just hit price ascending or descending depending on how you like to see your options chain. Once you've decided your expiration date and you've decided your strike price, you can go ahead and start to sell the contract. If you click the bid price, it takes you directly to the sell side, and you can decide all of your settings for that particular transaction as you wish. Once you're done, click this button here, and if you have the shares to cover it, it will take you to a confirmation screen that you can go ahead and click yes or click confirm, and you'll go through. Now, in my case, I didn't have any shares of SPY, and you'll see this screen here if you don't happen to have enough shares to cover it. If you happen to click the ask price instead of the bid price and it took you to the buy side, don't worry. Just click this button right here. It will automatically toggle between the buy and the sell side. And that is how you sell a call option on Webull. If you have any extra questions, or maybe I didn't cover everything that you happen to encounter, go ahead and leave it as a comment down below, and I'll answer the questions in there as soon as I can. If you like this video, you might also enjoy this one here on the screen. Subscribe to join the Cash Flow Club and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a single video.